Hey everyone, welcome to Your Day with AI, where we simplify tech to supercharge your daily life. Today I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools every student should be using in 2025. Let's dive in. 1. GrammarlyGO writing essays or emails. GrammarlyGO helps you write better, faster. It uses AI to suggest better sentences and can even rephrase your writing to match your tone. Perfect for last-minute assignments. 2. Notion AI. Taking notes has never been smarter. Notion AI helps summarize long texts, organize your study plans, and even generate ideas. It's like having an intelligent study buddy. 3. TTSMaker hate reading long PDFs? Turn them into audio. TTSMaker reads out your study material so you can learn while walking, exercising, or just relaxing. It's a game changer for audio learners. 4. Perplexity AI. Better than Google for fast, reliable answers. Ask it a question and it gives you clear, cited results instantly. Great for research and saving time on homework. 5. DeepL struggling with language barriers? DeepL translates better than Google Translate and keeps the original meaning and tone intact. Super helpful for language learners. That's it! 5 powerful free AI tools to make your student life smarter and easier. Try them out and let us know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because your day with AI is just getting started. See you in the next one. That's right. Each of these tools is designed not only to save you time, but also to enhance your learning experience. Whether it's polishing your writing or breaking down complex information, leveraging AI is the way forward. Get ready to transform how you study. That's right. Each of these tools is designed not only to save you time, but also to enhance your learning experience. By incorporating these innovative AI tools into your study routine, you're setting yourself up for success in the modern academic landscape. Remember, embracing technology can empower you to achieve more with less effort, making your educational journey both enjoyable and productive. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to our next session together.